right, guys. Hey, let's do this now. We've got, guys, we've got two binomials multiplied together. Now, this is where things start to get different. What we're going to do is we're going to distribute each term in the first to each term in the second. Now, some people talk about the FOIL method. We'll talk about where that comes into play. I'm not going to emphasize it because it makes it trickier when you do polynomials. It works great for binomials. It's harder for anything bigger than that. So what we're going to do is we generally just say, call it distributing. I'm going to take this first guy here, this x, and multiply it by that x. So x times x, which is x squared.
And then you do 5x.
Right, I do this x times 5. So x times 5, or 5x.
Wait, don't you put like a multiplication sign next to them or something?
Right now there's a plus sign.
Oh.
Because x times 5 is 5x.
Okay.
Now, yeah, now I go to the 4 and I repeat distributing the 4 over everybody in the second. Guys, shh, guys. Thanks. Second term in the first guy over everyone in the second. So now it's the 4 times the x, which becomes 4x.
Wait, how do you separate the second term? Don't we like put like that?
Why
Just-
did you put a plus? How do you not know
Yeah.
times?
Oh, okay.
Plus, minus?
Since these are pluses, these are all positive numbers, so there's a plus in there. Do plus unless you see negatives.
So you always plus the two
Yes.
equations that you got?
Mhm.
Or would you combine like
And then, well, these are, let me back up to be sure we're clear. These are multiplied together. I'm distributing. And as I work out my result, they're all added together because each of the terms I create is a positive term.
Wait, so it would be 20 after that?
Yeah. 4 times 5 is now going to be 4 times 5, which is
Hard, this is so easy.
20.
now you're done?
No, you have to group the x. Oh, never mind.
I've got these guys right here are the same, aren't they? Same base?
So it's x squared plus 9x.
So it's x squared plus 9x plus 20
Wait, you're confusing me.
is my final answer.
Oh, you add them together since since they're the same base, you add them together and you just make them one to make the
Yeah.
thing
Okay,
shorter.
what does FOIL stand for?
All right, very quickly, and this will be the only time I really talk about it, but I feel I have to mention FOIL because you will see, your parents might be used to it. First, outer, inner, last.
Wait, that's the final
Yes.
thing?
What do you mean our parents?
That means it's like really old.
That's what
Yeah.
so they want
Other guys, hey, let me explain. Then we'll get to Janelle's question. In other textbooks, and when you only have to deal with binomials, they have you memorize this acronym FOIL for first, outer, inner, lasts. So like this x squared, we got that by multiplying the firsts together.
Oh.
Then we did the outers. So x times 5x, or sorry, x times 5 becomes 5x. So we had x squared. The outers were 5x. The inners, 4 times x, 4x. And then the last, 4 times 5, which is 20. And then I can combine the outers and inners to make the middle term. Now,
You only have to combine one thing.
right. The problem with the FOIL thing is it only works when you're multiplying two binomials together to create 4 terms. It's why I don't emphasize it and why after this moment I will never speak of it again. What's up?
How do you do a track?
How do you check it?
Yeah, because last year they would always make us do tracks. I don't think
I'll get back to you on that.